Looking at the given graphs, you have three intercepts here, two x-intercepts and one y-intercepts. Okay, and the two x-intercepts here are 2, 0 and 4, 0. So these are the x-intercepts here. Then for y-intercept, we have that to be 0, 90 degrees. As you can see from the given graph here, 90 here is y-intercept, 2 and 4 here are x-intercepts. So we need to make use of these three intercepts to find the values of a, b and c. Okay, so what you need to do here is to make substitution for the x-intercept and y-intercept in the given function, which is y equals a in bracket of 2 raised to the power of 2x plus b in bracket 2 raised to the power of x then plus c. So you make the substitution there, so that by the time you substitute these intercepts there, you will have three equations. Then we can now solve that simultaneously. Okay, let's start from the first x-intercept. Okay, solution. So the function is a in bracket of 2 raised to the power of 2x plus b 2 raised to the power of x then plus c. So if you consider the first intercept, which happen to be 2, 0, this implies that x is equals to 2, y is equals to 0. So by substitution now you have 0 to be a in bracket 2 raised to the power of 2 times 2 plus b 2 raised to the power of 2 then plus c. So you have 0 here, a 2 raised to the power of 4 plus b 2 raised to the power of 2 then plus c. Okay, so this is a 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16, so which implies that this is 16a. 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4, so you have 4b then plus c. And this equation can be written as 16a plus 4b plus c equals 0. So let's call this to be equation 1. Okay, so we consider the second x-intercept, which happens to be 4, 0. And this implies that y is equals to 0 when x is 4. Okay, so we substitute y to be 0 and x to be 4 in the given equation, which is y equals a 2 raised to the power of 2x plus b 2 raised to the power of 2x plus c. So y equals 0 here, then you have a 2 raised to the power of 2 times 4 plus b 2 raised to the power of 4 then plus c. Okay, so this is 0 equals a 2 raised to the power of 8 plus b 2 raised to the power of 4 plus c. You have 0, 2 raised to the power of 8 is 256, so this is 256a plus 2 to the power of 4 is 16, is 16b then plus c. And of course this same equation can be written as 256a plus 16b plus c equals 0. So we call this to be equation 2. Now we consider the last point, which happens to be y-intercept. So y-intercept is given to be 0 to be 0, 90, and what that means is x is 90, y is 90 degree, y is 90 when x is what? When x is 0. That is the meaning. Okay, then when you make the substitution in the given equation as well, so you have y to be a 2 raised to the power of 2x plus b 2 raised to the power of 2x plus c. This is the given equation. So this is 90, then a 2 raised to the power of 2 times 0 plus b 2 raised to the power of 0 then plus c. So this is 90, 2 times 0, that's 0, 2 raised to the power of 0, that's 1. So this is a plus 2 raised to the power of 0 is 1, so you have b then plus c. So from here we have a plus b plus c equals 90. So we call this to be equation 3. Okay, I'm sure you are getting that. Now we have three equations already now, so let me just write as the three equations so that we can now look for a method to obtain constants there. The second equation, we have 256a plus 16b plus c is equals to 0. This is equation 2 that we have above. Okay, then equation 1 that we obtained the other time, we obtained 16a plus 4b plus c. So that's 16a plus 4b plus c equals 0. This is equation 1. Okay, so what are we going to do here? So we can make use of elimination method. So starting with, let's say, equation 3 minus equation 2 minus 1 and 2 minus 3. Okay, so I'm just combining two equations together. So the first one, I considered equation 2 minus 1 and equation 2 minus 3. So let's start with equation 2 minus 1. When you look at equation 2, you have 256a plus 16b plus c, and that of equation 1, from the left side you have a plus b plus c, and this is going to be 0 minus 90. So 256a plus 16b plus c, then use minus to expand that. That's minus a minus b minus c equals minus 90. And of course, minus c here plus c. So 256a minus a, that's 255a. 16b minus b, that's plus 15b equals minus 90. And of course, this can be reduced in simplest form by dividing both sides by 5. Okay, so it's divided by 5, divided by 5. So 255 divided by 5, that will give us 50. That's 51. So 15 divided by 5, that's 3b. Then 90 divided by 5, I think that should give us 18. Okay, so this is in simplest form now. Okay, so okay, but looking at this, we have 51, 3 and 18. I think 3 is also a common factor to the terms. We can as well divide both sides by 3 as well. Instead of we using 5 here, we can use 15, but let's just use 3 now. So 51 divided by 3, I think that will give us 17a plus b, and this is minus 6. Okay, so this is in simplest form now, so we call this to be equation 4. Now from the other one, which is equation 2 minus 1, okay, 2 minus 3. The first one here was 2 minus 3. Sorry, now we are considering 2 minus 1 now. Okay, so 2 minus 1, you have 256a plus 16b plus c, then minus 16a plus 4b then plus c equals what do we have there? Okay, that's 0 minus 0, so this will actually give us 0. So you have 256a plus 16b plus c minus 16a minus 4b minus c equals 0. Okay, so 256 minus 16, that's 240a. 16b minus 4b, that's plus 12b. Then this should take care of this, then this is equals to 0. And of course, we can divide both sides by 12 here. So 240 divided by 12, that will give us that's 20. So this is 20a plus b equals 0. Okay, so by implication, b is equals to minus 20a. So let's call this to be equation 5. So what's next now? We can now substitute 5. So you can substitute equation 5 and 4. In equation 4, where equation 4 we obtain that to be 17a plus b equals, this is equation 4, don't forget that, equals minus 6. Okay, so you have 17a minus 20a plus minus 6. So this is minus 3a minus 6, and of course a here is equals to 2 by the time we divide both sides by minus 3. Now we've gotten a, now we can put that here to get b. So from there we have b to be minus 40. Now we've gotten a to be 2 and b to be minus 40, so we can make use of equation 1 now to get c, where equation 1 you have a plus b plus c to be 90. Okay, so by the time we make substitution here, you have 2 minus 40 then plus c equals 90. So this is minus 38 plus c equals 90, then c is 128. So the values of a, b and c are, we have 2 minus 40 and c is 128. Okay,